Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds, and I'm going to answer the question if we have any application on our Android device which is compatible with our earbuds. So actually, the answer is yes. We do have the application for our Android device which is compatible with our earbuds, and the name is not, this name is not as ASUS ROG. Its name is Armory Crate. Let me show you this in the Play Store. Enter Play Store, under search, and now search for the Armory Crate. ARMOURY Crate. This is this application from the ASUSTeK computer ENC. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.